Hey there, data enthusiast. Are you ready to elevate your data game? Well, join us for Learn with the Nerds, Excel to Power BI. This is going to be a transformative event designed to supercharge your analytic skills. I'm Allison Gonzalez. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer, and in this immersive session, I will be joined by my fellow trainers, Angelica Choo Quan and Emily Taylor, and we will guide you through the process of working with your data in Excel, unlocking the full potential of the different capabilities and programs hidden inside of Excel. We will then learn how to migrate your Excel reports into Power BI effortlessly. We will also create dynamic and really visually appealing reports to bring your data to life. And also show, hey, how can we use Power BI data in Excel and really bring it full circle. So don't miss this opportunity to revolutionize your reporting capabilities. Be sure you register today, and we will see you there.